Hi everyone, this is Dr. Shilpa, Vardhan Fertility, and today we're going to talk about ovarian cysts. This ovarian cyst is something which all women will encounter at least once in their lifetime. What is an ovarian cyst? It is a cyst or a swelling, fluid filled, arising from the ovaries. Now, this cyst can be both two types, simple or complex. What are the most common features? What drives a woman to go and get a scan done? Patients may have symptoms like pain during cycles, they may have irregularity of cycles, missed periods, bloating sensation, and occasionally pain during intercourse. So, all these will lead to a lady going in for a scan, and the scan may show a cyst in the ovary. Now, if the moment they say cyst, most of the women panic. Now, let it be clear that there are two types of cysts. One is simple cyst and one is a complex cyst. And this will definitely be mentioned in your scan findings. Based on something called as echogenicity, the radiologist will be reporting the same. The moment you see simple cyst, keep two things in mind. If the size is less than 3 centimeter, there's absolutely nothing to worry because it's called a functional cyst, most commonly due to an unruptured follicle. So when every woman ovulates during her cycle, ovulation would have not occurred and that would have become a cyst. So that is called a retention cyst or a follicular cyst, which is usually less than 3 centimeter in size. So whenever you have a simple cyst less than 3 centimeter size, there's absolutely nothing to worry. Most of the times it goes off on its own in the next cycle. Now, if a simple cyst is something measuring more than 7 centimeters, then your doctor may prescribe some blood tests to evaluate as to what it is exactly. Then you have another kind of cyst called complex cyst. So, complex cyst is again, it will definitely be mentioned in the report. It can be due to many types. So, the most common types of complex cysts that we encounter are endometriotic cysts because of a condition called endometriosis. And whenever that affects the ovary, it's called endometriotic cyst or a chocolate cyst. Sometimes there can be a hemorrhagic cyst. That will manifest as a complex cyst. All these are, again, your gynecologist will tell about the management of the same. And sometimes there's something called serous cyst, mucinous cyst, and a dermoid cyst. These are the complex cysts, and everything has a different line of management. So whenever there's a complex cyst, it needs a little bit of evaluation. Your doctor may prescribe a few blood tests like CA-125, CEA, carcinoembryonic antigen, and CA-125 is the cancer antigen, which I'll be talking about in another video, and a few other blood tests if the doctor feels it's necessary, like AFP and beta HCG, LDH, that is some set of blood tests will be asked for based on the findings of the scan. So this much should be clear that or not always any small cyst requires any intervention, surgery, or you don't need to panic. The moment you see you can kind of create a small differential diagnosis in your mind. If it's a simple cyst less than 3 centimeter, don't panic. If there's anything more than 7 centimeters, meet your gynecologist. And if there's a complex cyst, always reach out to your gynecologist so that your gynecologist can help you chalk out a better treatment as to how to go about the cyst. Okay. So further, if you have any doubts, please feel free to message us, and please follow our channel for further information. Thank you.